Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In my recent video, I showed you how to lock the shutdown and restart to prevent shutdown or restart without your permission. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own shutdown that requires a password. So before someone shut down your PC, it's going to require a password. But without a password, no one can shut down your system. But before we dive into the video, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so that we can bring more tech tips. Now let's get started. So in my last video, we disabled the shutdown and the restart. So in this video, we are going to create our own shutdown. So let me bring my virtual machine for demonstration, okay? So to create your own shutdown, we are going to write a batch file, okay? Like a script, a batch file script. So to do that, I'm going to open Notepad by clicking on the search. Then I'll type Notepad, okay? So I'm going to open the Notepad. So I'm going to copy the script from the desktop, okay? So let me minimize the virtual machine and then I'll open the script for shutdown, okay? I'll be leaving the script at the description below. You can try your hands and leave your comment at the comment section, okay? So I'm going to copy this script into the notepad, okay? So let me minimize this and then I'll open the virtual machine. So I'm going to paste the script here. So this is the script you're going to use to create our own shutdown, okay? That requires a password. So password protected shutdown for Windows 11, okay? And then set your password here. So set your password. So I'm going to use this password. So let me change my password. So I'm going to use PASS at 12345. Okay, so this is the password I'm going to use for my shutdown, okay? So before I shut down the PC, it will ask me of this password before I shut down the PC, okay? And then you see ask user for password. So it will ask you for the password as I explained earlier, okay? So we are going to save this as a batch file on the desktop. So to do that, I'm going to click on the file, then I'll go to save as. So I'm going to name it Shutdown, okay? Shutdown.bat, okay? And then I'll change the location I want the file to be. So I'm going to select the desktop, and then the save as type, I'm going to select all files, okay? Then I'll click on save. Okay, so I'm going to close the notepad, and I'm going to create a shortcut for the batch file, okay? Because I want to change the icon. So I'm going to right click on it. Then I go to show more option. So I go to send to desktop shortcut, okay? So I'm going to change the icon for the shortcut, okay? So I'm going to right click on it. Then I go to properties. Then I go to change icon, okay? So I'll click on OK. So I'm going to use this power icon. Then I'll click on OK. Then apply and then OK. So now since we don't have the shutdown at the start, we are going to use this shortcut for our shutdown, which requires a password. So let me demonstrate that to you now. So if I double click on this shutdown, let's see what happens, okay? So enter shutdown password, okay? So let me enter some wrong password. You see, incorrect password, shutdown aborted. So press any key to continue, okay? It didn't go through. So I'm going to launch it again. And then I'll enter the correct password and let's see what happens, okay? Press on the enter key. Password correct, shutting down. So let's see what happens, okay? So you see, it's asking, do you want to make this? Yes, I want to allow this. So yes. So now the PC is shutting down, okay? So you see, we've created our own shutdown that requires a password since we don't have the shutdown at the start, okay? So it's shutting down. Okay, so this is how to create your own shutdown that requires a password. So this brings us to the end of this quick tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, please support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.